Second resolution of the Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh held at Bengaluru on 19th and 20th of March 2021, that is Yugabda 5122. Bharat stands as one against COVID-19 pandemic. Many of our corona warriors who rendered selfless service have laid their lives fighting the pandemic. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha, with devout thankfulness, recollects their courage and sacrifice and expresses immense gratitude. So far, tens of thousands of people have succumbed to the virus. We offer tributes to the departed souls and express heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. As the news of the pandemic and its devastating nature started trickling in, the government and administrative machinery, both at the center and in the states, swung into action. To educate the masses about the nature of the disease and necessary precautions, a massive countrywide exercise of public dissemination was undertaken using various creative means, supported by positive approach of media, with the effect that the entire country responded collectively to all the stipulated regulations that averted the worst case scenario predicted in the beginning. The medical workers, including doctors, nurses, paramedics, and sanitation workers, rose to the occasion in corona testing and treating the patients, even facing threats to their own lives. All other sections of the society, like security forces, government functionaries, essential services, financial institutions, and many others in organized and unorganized sectors, kept the wheels of daily life rolling almost uninterrupted throughout the country in this trying period. All these efforts and the coordinated exercises from various governmental departments like Shramik Trains, Vande Bharat Mission, and the ongoing vaccination drive are praiseworthy. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh wishes to recognize and put on record the exemplary, collective, and comprehensive response of Bharatiya society to the global pandemic COVID-19 and heartily appreciates the role played by every section of the society in containing the ill effects of the pandemic. Bharatiya society as a whole has written a new saga of service, compassion, and societal oneness by extending assistance with rations, cooked food, medical help, transportation, monetary assistance, etc., to millions of those who suffered due to the sudden unexpected turn of events. Various religious, social, voluntary organizations and the common citizens have rushed to the doorsteps of the needy and gave necessary support to them. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha wishes to express high appreciation to all such organizations and individuals for their selfless and benevolent acts during this period. The situation in the rural areas remained under control despite the dire projections made due to the lack of healthcare facilities and the migrations from cities. In fact, the care and management of the inbound people from cities by the local populace is worthy of admiration. In the hard times of COVID breakout and subsequent lockdown, a large section of the society, like migrant workers, had to cope up with a lot of hardships and challenges. However, our society confronted all the odds and looming uncertainty with their commendable resilience and remarkable endurance. The agriculture produce was more than usual during this time, and the industrial and overall economic scene is also showing encouraging signs. We could also turn this distress into an opportunity with industrial innovations in manufacturing ventilators, PPE kits, developing techniques for corona testing, and quick, affordable indigenous COVID vaccine. This has revealed the innate resilience and ingenuity of the society in the face of hardships. The pandemic also made us realize the power and potential of our holistic worldview, age-old traditions, and decentralized rural economic system. Many of our day-to-day habits and customs based on traditional value system, the quality time spent with family, healthy lifestyle based on restrained consumption, practicing of traditional food habits, and medicine for boosting immunity and prevention of the disease. The positive effects of yoga and meditation proved beneficial during this period. Bharat's integrated approach and its use in daily life has been endorsed by many experts world over. From the start of this worldwide crisis, Bharat lived up to the axiom of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and extended its helping hand to various countries by distributing hydroxychloroquine and other essential items and later on vaccines to large number of countries by our Vaccine Maitri campaign. Bharat's timely acts of international cooperation were appreciated by many leaders and countries of the world. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha is confident that the Bharatiya society will overcome the ill effects of this pandemic with continued grit and determination and thereby regain normal living in the near future. We all have to keep in mind that the society has not yet come out of the corona crisis. Against this backdrop, the people must strictly adhere to the necessary COVID protocol and guidelines to contain the pandemic. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha calls upon society that the lessons learned during the times of this pandemic need to be imbibed in our individual and societal life by adapting to a healthy family system, sustainable consumption, environment protection, and also by inculcating the spirit of self reliance and Swadeshi in our lives.